Manipur THOKLIBA IRANG ASINA MARAM OIRAGA victim OIHOURABA SINGH BJP na Luchingba Center Leingak na Ngasi Phaoba Achumba Wayel Phanghanba Ngamdaba Asi Laibak Thibani HAINA All India KISSAN Congress ke Chairman MLA SUKHPAL SINGH KHAIRA na PHONGDORAKLI Imphal gi Congress Bhavan da pangthokpa paugi mipam amada wapam ase phongdokledna mahakna makata na hai Manipur na haukiba chahi aniromgi mamangdagi mai hauna chaktun leiraga center na matik chaba action amata lokalaktaba ase akan mamongda condemn tawfam thoi amade Congress party na so condemn tawi irang asige victim khuding magta Achumba Wayel Phanghanba nakalamaromda haukiba chahi tara romasida center Leingak na chatharakliba thawung sing ase anti farmer oiba Thawung ni haibada haiman bathokloi. Center Leingak na fund allocation khudingma corporate centralized tawkibana Laibak Asigi Lairaba Lomi Singh kokta khut hamnare Laibak Asigi Lomi Singh na lupa lakh crore kunrom Singba ngamdana Lairiba sida relief ama Phaoba Leingak na Peterbasu Achoba corporate Singh na lokiba lupa lakh crore tara mga romde Leingak na ngakpiki Manipur yauna Laibak Asi tongan ba mafam kayada mahosagi safuna maram oiraga Lomi Singh na chawna amang ata thengnakiba adugi matik chaba compensation pidana leire Lomi Singh diki lauriba interest ki rate asisu corporate ki lauriba rate aduga manan leire masina maram oiraga Leingak ki Sendol Singhba ngamdabana Lomi kaya society tawbagi chang hengalakli Manipur gi Lomi Singh na puthokpa khwaidagi maru oiba pothokte phone adumoinamak state asigi Lomi Singh na wana hotnatna puthorakliba phaugi pothok sing asigi minimum support price adu phanglibra haibasidi achoba wahang ama oire Punjab ki Lomi Singh na puthokliba phau sing asigi minimum support price oina phau quintal amada lupa lising aniga chamri phangi adubu Manipur gi oinadi madu yauna phangba ngamdan leiri amaronda Manipur gi apunba lofam sing asigi chada kuntra khaktamang irrigation khudong chaba phangli aduga lemhoriba chada humfutara aduna kumgi nonggi mapal tangdun leire Punjab kumna chada chama irrigation gi khudong chaba phanghalabadi Manipur dasu makhal makha kya ge mahai marong puthokpa ngambagi potential leitabanate maramaduna Congress party na Lomi Singh gi yaifana ba paikhat payaba thabak khudingmak paikhatgani masigi sarugam oina All India Kisan Congress na mobile application amasu launch tawre application asigi khuthangda Laibak asigi Lomi Singh amade Congress ki central leader singa pau phaunaduna Lomi Singh na thengnariba khudong chadaba sing adugi matangda tathok tasen tawnabagi khudong chabasu phanghalagani hainasu mahakna makatana phongdokhi
to build a stronger agriculture sector in India, which has been ignored for the last 10 years, which has been sidelined, and to make the lives of people in the rural area much better. Even today, while we speak of development in India, it is more restricted to urban areas. If you see the kind of development that should have been in the rural area stands ignored. And more than 60% people still live in the villages of this country. And there are two types of different Indias. One we see in the cities like Mumbai and Delhi and Calcutta. One we see out here in the villages of Manipur, in the villages of countryside of Andhra or Maharashtra or Telangana or Punjab. Those need to be addressed to make their lives better. That is ultimate the aim and our endeavor of the Congress party will be to build better rural India, of course the entire India, but give same opportunities to the children, to the families of the farmers and farm laborers, particularly in the rural areas of India.